Infosecurity Europe is essential for bringing people together. It's a really powerful event for trends, for meeting people, and you just find out what's kind of going on.
It's just bringing everyone in the industry together, like-minded people. You can have a chat with people who know a lot about the stuff that you want to know about, and you can teach and learn at the same time.
Infosecurity is super important because it enables everyone across different nations all to be in one room together, talking, sharing knowledge.
Big, fun, innovative. We've got engineers to salespeople to marketing people to CEOs.
Nice and relaxed and interactive as well, which is decent.
There's an awful lot of talks that you should take advantage of. It's been very engaging, very kind of educational.
You don't get the opportunity to see this many experts in one place. I think it's very exciting, especially if you're kind of new to infosecurity. It's a great way to get a taste of everything that's going on.
It's important to be able to pick brains. I've been able to network with a couple of people. I've been able to set up meetings and appointments to help us provide solutions for my company.
Coming somewhere like this, people will get ideas and new business opportunities for others.
It's a great opportunity to meet new people, make those connections, start those conversations, because you never know what will happen in the future. So it's an exciting place to be.
Every company you could imagine is here, so yeah, get yourself down.